2016 Discovery 2. The Discovery 2 is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British carmaker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.